Deb from Bowl Me Over, and I'm excited that you've joined me. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite appetizers. I would say appetizer, but we also have this as a meal, but it's stuffed mushrooms. I hope you love them as much as I do, and I'm excited to share this recipe. The full recipe can be found on the blog, but let me walk you through how easy it is. So first, of course, we have mushrooms. I have onions and celery that I've already diced, a little bit of garlic, and I went ahead and diced up the mushroom stems. We're going to use those as well. In addition, Parmesan cheese, some breadcrumbs, and a little bit of cream cheese, just a little bit. I have an egg and some olive oil, and last but not least, Italian sausage. I use mild Italian sausage. You could certainly use spicy too. Let me show you how easy this is to make. Okay, so to get started, we're going to saute the onions, celery, and mushroom stems. At the end, when they just begin to soften, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic, and we're gonna season them with the salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Okay, now that we have the vegetables sauteed, we sauteed the mushroom stems, onions, celery, and garlic. One trick, because you don't want to put hot food into like cold sausage. And so what I do, because I never plan ahead, I saute the vegetables and then I put them on a plate and fairly like one layer, and this will allow them to cool off a lot faster. Just a little tip for you. So now let me show you how easy it is to combine the ingredients and make the stuffed mushrooms. Stuffed mushrooms are done, and see how golden brown they are. I just finished them underneath the broiler for about 3 minutes. Just watch them close so they don't burn. And I've decided the toughest thing about what I do is taking a TV bite, so hang on a sec. These are so good. They're salty, and the mushrooms get so tender and juicy. The sausage is like perfectly cooked, and it's got that golden brown crust. This is dynamite. I hope you try them soon, okay?